Hey everyone, it's Lindsay here from the studio at Wild Thorn. I'm super excited that we're now offering all of Kelley Baker Brows' amazing products. She has spent so much time and she is the brow god herself. She knows so much, and all these are formulated specifically for perfecting brows in between appointments. My personal two favorites, I mean there's several different products to fix all types of different brows if you don't want to opt for microblading quite yet. My very two favorite are going to be the tinted brow gels. It comes with the smallest applicator I've ever seen on the market, so it's very controlled, and this is going to tint all your natural brow hairs. So if you're struggling with gray brow hairs, this is going to coat everything just for the day, and then when you rinse your face, everything will come off and be removed, not like a tint, so a little bit different. And then everybody always wants to know how I get that nice, crisp, defined underneath brow, and it is because of her concealers. There's two different shades depending on if you're a little bit lighter Fitzpatrick or if you're a little bit darker skin complected. You'll find one that's best for you, so stop by the studio, pick up these products, because they'll definitely perfect your brow in between waxes. Thanks.